In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix VPN connects and then automatically disconnects on Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. Then click on System on the left pane. Scroll down and you have to click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. And in here, you will find network and internet with the run button corresponding to it. So run the network and internet troubleshooter. Now what that will do is that will help you detect and spot the issue. So simply follow the suggestions and recommendations as it will give you suggestions and recommendations to fix the issue. Follow the on-screen instructions. After doing so, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart to Windows. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can produce more useful tutorials for you. Next method, right click at the start button, select device manager. Once device manager window is opened, expand the list for network adapters. Locate your network adapter, make a right click, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Here, simply choose the driver that will work for you. You can also choose the latest version and click on next. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers, then close this. Then right click again on the network adapter and then select properties. Click on the power management tab. Make sure to uncheck this option. So do not check this option. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power and then click on OK. Close this. And for this next method, click on the start button and go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, click on Network and Internet. Scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings. And then here you have to click on Network Reset. So this will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to the original settings. Click on the Reset Now button and click on Yes. That will also restart your PC or your Windows, and that will fix the issue for you. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.